Ford Explorer engine repairs near me. Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, United States. It was founded by Henry Ford and incorporated on June 16, 1903. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand, and luxury cars under its Lincoln Luxury brand. The company is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and is controlled by the Ford family. They have minority ownership but the majority of the voting power. The 2021 Ford Explorer is a mid-size SUV with various trims and options, and features can vary depending on the chosen trim level and optional packages. Below are some common features associated with the 2021 Ford Explorer. Servicing your Ford Explorer regularly is essential to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key maintenance tasks and tips for Ford Explorer service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Ford Explorer owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of various components. Adhering to the recommended maintenance intervals helps keep your Explorer in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Ford service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Ford vehicles. They have access to genuine Ford parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to Explorer models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Ford's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for your Explorer's performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your Explorer's brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Ford's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your Explorer's battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Ford for your Explorer. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Ford service center. By staying proactive with your Ford Explorer's maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can help ensure its performance, reliability, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time.